They look different in size, textures. Textures means outer surface, and colors. But the common factor is its round shape. But still they are different. Let's find out through circles. Apple. Apple good for health. Broad from upper side and little narrow from lower side, like heart shape. Remove extra lines. Make it more clear. How I use circle to make an apple. Pomegranate. It's almost a circle, but natural things cannot be exact. So you shake your hand a little bit to make a pomegranate. Papaya. Club big and small circle together. A little beak type shape on the lower part. Again, remove extra lines. Which you have used to make papaya. Now mango. Slight S shape and little trim from other side. Long leaves. Long and thin leaves. Pear. Again, club two circles, big and small, but this time no pointed shape like papaya. Remember, shape can be similar but not size and texture. Now lychee. Not exact round, upper shape broader than lower. Texture of lychee is unique. Now cherry. Dark red cherry, fluffy. Shape is almost like lychee, but texture is totally different. Now guava. Little oval shaped guava, otherwise it can be circle also. Little round leaves. Now grapes. Oval shape. Bunch of oval shapes. Texture of the lychee is very important. Lots of fruits are still remaining to draw. So next time